This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Christy Imperio. Welcome to 307 Whitetail Loop, one of 16 in the circle with paved roads and walking sidewalks. Looking for brand new? Then look no further. Get inside and take a look at this 4-bedroom 2.5 bath home. Excellent floor plan with the master on the main floor. Large open floor plan, vaulted ceiling with very large rooms and natural sunlight, fully landscaped yard, all stainless high-end appliances. Quartz countertops. Get in and take a look, you will love it. Close to school, border and I-5. For more information, review the details below.